Hello children, welcome to Sri Ramanuja Vidya Mandir, a temple of learning. Really it's a place of learning, which is like temple for us. The last class we have completed the last grammar topic, that is Dhatu Rupani, means forms of verb. And we have completed the portion, all the portion is completed. So one thing is that we have to revise. First, what you need to do is you listen every recording lecture. You write the date. From today you sit with your Sanskrit subject. If you have not done in the earlier previous period, you sit with the subject, you open your phone. From first recording to the last recording, till now, not last, but till now, whatever the lectures have been delivered, you sit with the lectures, you write the topic, and every day you practice it. Okay, it will be a good practice for you children. So here, as we have completed our portion, what I was thinking that, so why to waste the time? Better to go with the revision. And in this, I would like to revise letters first, because letters are of 5 marks. 2 letters will be given, 1 you have to write, that is for 5 marks. Okay, so 5 marks means very, very important. Each and every mark is very, very important. As you all know that Sanskrit is a scoring subject, that's why you all have chosen it. Okay, first thing is that because you opted the subject, so you need to justify with the subject. Okay, so here today we will learn, again we are going to explain the letter. This is the second time I am revising the letter. I don't know how many of you are revising it. Definitely when offline session will start, I'll question you. And here we have in intermediate first year, we have 4 letters children. Out of 4, definitely minimum 3 we'll learn. Okay, if 2 are enough, but minimum 3 we will complete, so that any letter will come, we'll be able to write. Okay, so first 2 we will revise. That is, the first topic is Jwarartasya Jwarartasya Viramagrahanaya Abhyarthana Patram. Jwarartasya, you got fever, and for taking rest, you are giving the requisition letter, you are giving a letter to leave letter, means leave letter you are writing. This is leave letter. Okay, when we have fever or we have other work at home and we cannot go to school, so we will write a letter to the principal, permission letter for granting a leave. So here we have, in Sanskrit we are writing, same form will be same, only few words we need to concentrate. So here Jwarartasya Viramagrahanaya Abhyarthana Patram means requesting letter. So first what we will write? First is the place from where we are writing the letter. Okay, that is Rajamahendravaram. This is first part. This is second part. This is the third part. Okay, this is Vishaya, fourth. The matter, body of the letter is fifth. And here this is the sixth part. If you will divide the letter in 6 parts, the place, the date, to whom you are writing, what is the subject, body of the letter, and the salutation. These are the 6 important parts of the letter. So first part, what it is? The place from where we are writing, that is Rajamahendravaram. You can write Vishakhapatnam also. The place only you need to write, no. It is not that you will write Raja. But it is Sanskrit, no. So you don't take risk. You write whatever it is given there. Okay. So Rajamahendravaram. Dinankaha. Dinankaha means date. What is the date? 20th 12, 2018. Now, Sir Vidhe means respected sir. sorry, Savidhe means to the, means to whom we are writing the letter. Here we are writing the letter to principal of the school or institution. Pradhanadhyapakaha or Pranshupalaha. Pranshupalaha means principal. Prabhutva Junior Uच्च Madhyamik Kala Shala. Raja Mahendravaram Manyaha means respected sir. Fourth is Vishayaha. Viramasya krite abhyarthana patram. Viramasya krite means for taking leave, we are writing the request letter. Aham means मैं, I. Asmin kalashalayam prathama samvatsaram pathami. I am studying first year in this kalashala. Kalashala means college. Prathama samvatsaram means first year reading. Mama swasthyam samyak nasti. My health is not proper, I am not well. Aham jvarena pidito bhavami. I am suffering with fever. Ataha Vishranti. Vishranti means rest. Svikartum for rest. Mahyam means to me. Dinatrayam 3 days. From this to Taha means from. Taha means from. Paryantam means to. Okay? Dinatrayam Paryantam Viramam yachantu iti sadara pranama purvakam vigyapayami. Very humble, it is my humble request to you. Mama anupasthiti sanmaye. Mama means mine. Anupasthiti samay, when I will absent to the school, pathyamananu pathan mitra sakashat gyatva aham pathishyami. Whatever the syllabus is over, when I was absent to the school, I'll ask my friends, I'll complete the portion. Sadhanyavadam bhavatam vidheyaha chhatraha nama. Nama means name. Anukrama sankhya means roll number. Prabhutva Junior Uच्च Madhyamik Kalashala Rajamahendra Varam. This is the leave letter. Okay. Jvarartasya Viramagrahanaya Abhyarthana Patram. So in intermediate exam also you will be given two letters. Out of 2 you need to attempt 1 of 5 marks. Okay. So again let's revise it once again, children. Rajamahendravaram Dinankaha. Rajamahendravaram means from the place from where you are writing. Dinankaha means the date on which you are writing. Next, Savidhe Pradhanadhyapakaha Pranshupalaha Prabhutva Junior Uच्च Madhyamik Kala Shala Rajamahendravaram. Here Manyaha, we address no respected sir like that. Manyaha Vishayaha. What is the subject? Why you are writing the letter? So Vishaya is Viramasya krite abhyarthana patram. Sorry, abhyarthanam. So now you are telling that what happened and why you need leave. So aham asmin kalashalayam prathama samvatsaram pathami. Mama swasthyam samyak nasti. Aham jvarena pidito bhavami. Again, aham asmin kalashalayam prathama samvatsaram pathami. Mama swasthyam samyak nasti. Aham jvarena pidito bhavami. Atah vishranti svikartum mahyam dinatrayam means from this to this paryantam viramam yachantum iti sadara pranama purvakam vigyapayami. Mama anupasthiti samaye पाठ्यमानान् पाठान् मित्र सकाशात् ज्ञात्वा अहम पठिष्यामि. Now finally, Sir Dhanyavadam means thanking you. You are sincerely we write now. Sir Dhanyavadam Bhavatam Vidheyaha Chhatra, yours obedient student. Nama means name. You need not to write, you just write like this only. As it is given in your book, you just copy it, print it. Namaha Anukrama Sankhya Prabhutva Junior Uch Madhyamik Kala Shala Raja Mahendra Varam. That is the letter for leave. That is the letter for leave, taking leave from permission for the head of the institution. Okay. So next letter is Virama Grihanaya. See what is the difference here? The reason of the leave is explained. Jwarartasya, you got fever and you want leave. Okay. Here in the second letter we have Virama Grihana, we want leave, whatever the reason may be. Okay, so that is the difference. If the reason will be given, you need to mention the same reason whatever given in the question. If the reason is not there, only the Virama Grihanaya Abhyardhan Patram will be given. Any reason it may be. So here again, the place Gunturu, Dinankaha, this is the date of the letter. Now, Savidhe, Pradhanadhyapakaha, Pranshupalaha, Prabhutva Junior Uch Madhyamik Kala Shala, Guntur, Manyaha. Okay. What is the subject of the letter? Viramasya krite. For leave you are writing this letter. Okay. So, Viramasya krite Abhyarthana Patram. Abhyarthanam. Mama Sodaryaha Vivad. Sodaryaha means sister. Vivahartham means for marriage of my sister. Aham Shvaha. Aham means I. Shvaha means tomorrow. Swagramam Gamishyami. Tomorrow I'll go to the village, my own village, for my sister's marriage. Ataha Krupaya Dinatrayasya means 3 days from this to this. Paryantam Viramam Yachantu iti sadara pranama purvakam vigyapayami. The same, the first, like from here to here, the same topic is there. Okay, the same lines are repeated. Ataha Kripaya Dinatrayasya means from this to this. Paryantam Viramam Yachantu iti sadara pranama purvakam vigyapayami. Mama anupasthiti samaye pathyamanan pathan mitra sakashat gyatva. Gyatva means to know, by knowing them, by them. Aham padishyami, I will read. Sa dhanyavadam bhavatam vidheyaha chhatrah. Nama means name, Anukrama Sankhya means roll number, Prabhutva Junior Kalashala Guntur. This is the letter for taking leave. So reason is not mentioned, but in the previous letter the reason is mentioned. Jwarartasya, you got jwaram. Jwaram means you know no Telugu, jwaram, jwarartasya. So in Hindi also it is jwar, bukhar, whatever. So here Jwarartasya Viramagrihanaya Abhyarthana Patram, but in the second letter Viramagrihanaya Abhyarthana Patram. Okay, so the place Guntur, Dinank, in the Jwarartasya also the form will be same, few lines will be same, just this first line will be different. So Guntur Dinankaha, this Savidhe, Pradhana Adhyapakaha or Pranshupalaha, Prabhutva Junior Uch Madhyamik Kalashala, Guntur Manyaha. Vishayaha means subject. Viramasya krite Abhyarthana Patram. Mama Sodaryaha Vivahartham Aham Shvaha Swagramam Gamishyami. Ataha Kripaya Dinatrayasya, from this to this, Paryantam Viramam Yachantu iti sadara pranama purvakam vigyapayami. Mama anupasthiti samaye pathyamanan pathan mitra sakashat gyatva aham padhishyami. सधन्यवादं भवतां विधेयः छात्र नाम अनुक्रम संख्या प्रभुत्व जूनियर कलाशाला गुंटूर. Children, first thing that you need to write in the letter, only in one page you need to write the letter. It's not that half part of the letter in one page and the other part of the letter is in another page. You need to write the letter in full page. Make sure that if you are writing the letter in the examination, paper will be same. In one page, in which page you have started, you have to end the letter in the same page. Okay, first thing. Second thing is the handwriting and the presentation should be very neat and clear. Spelling mistakes should not be there. Very neat presentation will be there. See, always the neat presentation will be the attractive thing, effective. It will be very effective. Okay, so you should concentrate on handwriting. So Guntur, very neatly you write Dinankaha, and after that Savidhe Pradhanadhyapakaha Pranshupalaha. Very neatly take the time and write Prabhutva Junior Uच्च Madhyamik Kalashala. Uच्च Madhyamik means higher secondary. Guntur Manya means in English we write no respected sir, like that. Manya Mahoday Manyah Vishayah means what is the subject. Viramasya krite abhyartham. Okay. Now the body of the letter. Body of the letter also, it should be written in very neat and clean handwriting. Each and every letter should be very clear. Mama sodaryaha vivahartham aham shvaha swagramam gamishyami. Ataha kripaya dinatrayasya, from this to this paryantam viramam yachantu iti sadara pranama purvakam vignami. Mama anupasthiti samaye पाठ्यमानान् पाठान् मित्र सकाशात् ज्ञात्वा अहं पठिष्यामि. सधन्यवादं भवतां विधेयः छात्रः means girl, छात्र means boy student. Okay, नामः means name, अनुक्रम संख्या प्रभुत्व जूनियर कलाशाला गुंटूर. These are the 2 letters you need to practice this week, and make sure that in this week you learn this topic. And I am planning that in weekly wise or day wise I will give revision, so that it will be easy to prepare for you for the examination. If you will follow the instruction, you will get benefit. If you won't listen the recording, if you think that I don't have that much time to listening the recording, that what the use we are delivering the lectures. So here these are the 2 letters which you need to practice properly. And after, if you got these 2 letters, one letter is there, no, pustaka preshana vishaye, books, for books you need to that letter also is very very important. You by heard that and practice that. And the next class I want to go with this Anuvada Abhyasaha. It is very very important. 5 marks are there for Anuvada Abhyasaha also. So next class I will go for Anuvada Abhyasaha. And as I revise these children, from this class revision is started. If you will sit with each and everything, will revise online, and when offline session will start, definitely we will do that. But meanwhile you sit with the subject, you practice well, and make sure that at least the grammar part you complete. Shabdas, dhatu, sandhi, anuvada abhyasaha, these all things should be completed. Patra lekhanam, these all things should be completed. Okay, very very important. Okay, very very easy also. But start with shabdas. It will take little time. Shabdas and dhatus, these 2 topics will take time. Otherwise all these topics are very very easy, and we can definitely in short time we can learn this. Okay, but anything, whether the topic is tough or easy, if the person is not sitting with the topic, how will you read, how will you gain the knowledge? You tell me, children. So for that you need to sit with the topic, you need to practice well, make a note. I will check your notes. So that's why I am telling you people that sit with the starting lecture, each and every topic you write and complete the notes, Notes are very, very important. I want to know that how much you have prepared in this lockdown, in the period of this pandemic, how you are using this. So that's the class, children. Thank you very much.